I'm 58 years old and I make over $1,500 a month working about 2 hours a week. And most people my age still think this isn't possible. And no, this isn't dropshipping, crypto, or anything complicated. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. No camera, no audience, no tech skills. Just some time, a phone, and knowledge I'd been carrying around for decades that I never thought in a million years to turn into income. If you're over 50 and wondering if there's still a real way out, this video is your answer. Hi, my name is Christian. I'm 58, and just 4 years ago, I was laid off from a really well-paying job. I had a modest 401k, some savings, but I watched it all start to disappear. After nearly a year of sending resumes, getting a few callbacks, and even fewer interviews, I realized something. I couldn't rely on one source of income ever again. So I started building income streams I could control that I could run even after I went back to work. Today, I've got 3 of them running right now, all beginner friendly, all low maintenance, and all real. And I'm going to break down every single one, the platform, the time, the numbers, all of it. The first one is the one that surprised me the most, and it's the one making the most money. I built a faceless content channel in the country music space. No face, voice only, simple visuals. Now here's what most people don't know. This wasn't random. Before I ever posted a single video, I spent time watching, observing, studying, seeing what worked, what didn't, and more importantly, where the gaps were. So when I started, I wasn't guessing. Week 1, I posted 3 to 4 times a day. Week 3, I hit 10,000 followers, enough to qualify for monetization, and here's what it looked like. Month 1, $350. Month 2, $750. Month 3, just over $1,000. That's about 9 weeks from $0 to $1,000 a month, working maybe a couple hours a week. Now let me say that again. 2 hours a week, 9 weeks, $1,000 a month. The knowledge wasn't new. The platform wasn't complicated. The difference was I finally decided to use what I already knew. Stream 2, print on demand on Etsy. Now this one is simply a workhorse. I created a few designs using Canva and Kittle, mostly for t-shirts, some candles, some mugs, and I set up a small Etsy shop. Nothing crazy. At the time, I think I had like 15 or 20 listings, somewhere in that neighborhood, but I got sales the very first month. And I cleared just over $200. That's not sales. That's what I actually made. Now here's the part that matters. I spend maybe 5 hours a month on this total, and it consistently brings in $300 to $500 a month. Again, not sales. This is what Etsy deposits in my account. Some months are better, but here's the kicker. The designs I made in month 1, 4 years ago, are still selling today. 4 years ago. No ads, not 1 penny. Now let me simplify the part people overcomplicate. Keywords. If you were searching for a funny gift for your spouse, what would you type into Google? That's it. That's the strategy. Start typing and let Google finish the sentence for you. Those are real searches from real people. You don't need to be technical. You don't need to be a keyword guru or buy into the hype of having AI do the heavy lifting for you. You just need to think like a buyer. And here's the crazy part. You are a buyer. What do you search for when you're looking to buy something online? That's it. That's unlocking keywords. That's what low maintenance actually looks like. You do the work once, and it keeps paying you. Stream 3, Amazon affiliate links. This is the closest thing to true passive income I've found. I make short review videos on things I already use. Wireless mic, quick video. Tripod, quick video. Hot tub filter, quick video. And each one gets an affiliate link. So when someone buys through that link, I earn a small commission. Time investment, less than an hour a month. That's it. It's not the biggest income stream. It's around $150 a month. But I've got videos I made months ago, still generating money today. And that's what matters, because it stacks. Every stream I add compounds the ones before it. Now, here's the part nobody talks about. None of this is get rich quick. None of it happens without consistency. But here's what I want you to understand. I'm doing all of this while still working a full-time corporate job that requires me to travel monthly. As a matter of fact, I'm in Houston this week when I'm filming this video. But it started when I was out of work and looking for a job, and I was figuring it out along the way. Here's the reality. You don't get to pause your life in your 50s to go figure things out. You build it in the margins, regardless of what Gary Vee says. And the margins are enough if you use them right. This channel, The Late Start, exists for one reason: to show people over 50 that it's not too late. It's not theory, it's not motivation, it's proof from someone actually doing it. Every week, I break down one income stream, one strategy, or one tool. If you want to know which income stream makes the most sense for your situation, the Over 40 Income Starter Kit is free. The link is in the description below. It's 8 questions, takes about 5 minutes, and it matches you with the stream that fits your life. And if you're over 40 and you're done wondering if this is possible, and you actually want to build something, subscribe, because I'm building this channel in real time. You'll see the wins, the mistakes, the frustrations, all of it. And if you're trying to catch up on retirement or savings, just remember this: you're not starting from zero. You're starting from experience. I'll see you in the next one.